Welcome to the Wise Guy channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video and watch it together. All right, so we lost a subscriber. Backslide it. Did a Michael Jackson. I lost a subscriber. Now, I understand if you're first time tuning in, right? That, hey, you want some entertainment, also something with value and content. So in this video, I'm recommending going to what Miss Wise Guy basically created and edited. That'd be part 13 when we did the concrete pour. That crew was just really, they are. I mean, I love working with them, right? These guys, right? They are the perfect team to work with. All right. So with that being said, right, I also owe you some push-ups because yesterday, if you watched that video, 10%, I'm also telling you guys that, yeah, my passion is to get out there with the younger people, and I want to build homes, right? That's what I do. Also, I want to complete, right, what Miss Wise Guy, the founder of the Wise Guy Construction Channel, I want to finish that. Then we'll see what direction we could move it in, right? Anyway, with that being said, let's get to this video with further ado and create some content and put it out for you guys. All right, so before you watch me doing push-ups, keep in mind I'll be using this as also marketing myself with an organization for work, and it's a requirement of to be physically fit. Right? Now, don't think for 1 minute I think I'm all that. What I can tell you as you watch this, right? Okay, that, Senator Kennedy, who's 70 years old, yeah, he inspires me, right? The young man Buck I speak of, right, in the previous video from yesterday, right? Yeah, the best way to put it, I came in, he was on the bench press, and he was doing for, your inner part of your pecs, right? And 175, he's basically, 155. And that's where Harold pretty much manager, when he assesses, he knows I have that injury, he came along and, call it discovery, right? I need to wise up. Yeah, so there I was, lifting the same amount of weight, right along with Buck, and Harold seen me do this. Remember, I'm a humble man, right? I don't think I'm all that, so, yeah, hey, the woman in the gym, right? She was my age, right? Doing the fly extension with your thighs, right? Your quads. Oh man, she put the hurt into me. I was walking funny after basically exercising along with her. So, slight setback, okay? All right, even though we're celebrating a milestone on the Wise Guy channel. All right, yeah, that 10% is nice, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and read to you something that, as I look at the job market, I agree 100% with the organization that put this under scope, or you call it requirement. Okay, really, I'm going to read it to you. Physical requirement. Yeah, it should be, especially even if you're a director, right? Okay, well, they start off sitting, standing, driving, and movement, and ability to exert a minimum force of 50 pounds and occasionally exert up to 80 pounds, right? Of carrying, lifting, pulling, and otherwise moving objects. Must be able to climb ladders, scaffolding, and other means to reach and observe all areas of the building in various weather conditions. I agree 100%, but I see some directors, right? And don't get me wrong. All right, so we're gonna go crank out 100 push-ups. But what we're gonna do right now is put in, right, back in November, right? It was pretty much I cranked out 100 push-ups. And I mentioned it's a little sad because in my personal development, I had to make sure I didn't bump a little Lena with my foot. I basically hurt my shoulder. So no excuse, right? I'm gonna take a couple precautions while we do the 100 push-ups, and we'll see what my performance is, right? And the point we're trying to make, I was warned about the risks by the other managers in the gym, but being energetic or result driven, I pushed too hard.
All right, here we go. All right, consistency. Now, really, and technically, I should be recovering, right? Okay, resting a little bit because I'm working out still in the gym. Okay, and this is calisthenics. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. And I can feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's move over so I can see a little better. Okay, so we're at 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Woo. I can feel it. Woo. 40 more. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 30 more. Here's where you can't be a quitter. All right. Okay. Quitters are never winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. Feeling the pain. Feeling the pain. Hey. All right. Okay. That was 80. 1, 2. I think I lost track, but was that 90? All right, I'm not sure. We'll have to play it back. Let's do some more. But 8. Okay, I think that was 100. But let's do another 10. All right. But 2, 3, 8. All right, I lost track, lost focus.
So let's go crank out 100 for you. right? We'll take some precautions, right? Or precautions, right? I'll be basically saying like that, right? But now it's recommended, okay, by the video for this injury that basically I sustained. All right. Okay, so what's happening is let's get the chest, touch that, right? I'm saying in the other video, I don't think I was going that deep anyway. All right. 100 push-ups, ready? Okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 more. It's been a month since I've done push-ups. I think, just like the other video, I lost track, so let's do another 10. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.